guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here, really appreciate it. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of pyrography gifts. One was, I got some footage of it. I was kind of having a bad day, so I didn't get footage of the whole thing. Anyway, I do have the end result. It turned out really cool. A little frustrating. I might explain it as I show some footage. And so the other one was a project that or a gift I had done for my mom for last Mother's Day, and it kind of got ruined over the winter. I don't think I made it on I don't think I used the right wood or something, or the right lacquer. I'll try and show you a picture of it right now as I'm talking about it. So I went ahead and got another piece of wood, did a different design altogether, and got that done. I will show you the actual image that I created on Canva, which is an absolutely amazing platform. Even their free section is, the one I actually made is on the free part. So I've had the paid subscription. Every now and then I end up getting it, but right now, for some reason, I just don't. So what I made, you can actually do for free, which is great. So anyway, so I made it on a piece of wood with a pyrography tool. I did have one challenge during it, but the footage was on my actual camera, and I don't know what the deal is. I can't transfer it to my laptop right now. But kind of a rookie mistake. I had printed out the image and then put it on a different piece of wood without reversing it. So that meant the words that I had wanted on there were backwards. So don't do that. Always double check. I'm not even sure how I did that. It happens though. Thankfully I had extra wood and I could just print it out the correct way and get it on there. So let's get going. Alright, here's my board doing the piece on wood burning, okay? So what I did is, because I don't have an actual single sheet of paper that's this big, I think it's 16 by 12 3/4, so I took two 12 by 12 cardstock and taped them together, so that way I have a nice border. So then what I'm going to do, transfer the image onto the board. It depends on the type of printer you have. So for me, I have a laser printer, so I need to print it on the part that the sticker goes on. So it's slick, so you need to print on the slick side. This is actually left over the backing from the tack paper that I had put down on my table I'm working on right now. So, which is great because it's obviously much bigger than a regular 8.5 by 11 sticker sheet. Anyway, so I'm going to cut this up to this size and I'm going to put it through my printer and then I will put it on my board. See you in a minute. So I want to make sure you guys know the reason why I did the cardstock, taped them together, is you can't just run for the back of the sticker sheet by itself. So I taped it to cardstock. So now I'm going to run it through and I'll show you guys what it looks like and then I'll transfer it onto the board. Hey guys, so I finally finished, well almost finished. I need to drill some holes and put a lacquer protective finish cap. Whoa, satin clear enamel for protective satin finish. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on there. Hopefully that'll do better than the last one that I made. I have a really skinny drill, or a drill bit, but I want it a little fatter. So I'm also just wanted to, rather than go and try and find a fatter one, I was gonna show you guys a trick. Let's say you don't have any drill bits, but you have some screws. So what you can do is you can actually take a screw and drill that into the hole that you want, and then just drill it back out again. And then I have some little sanding tools. I'm gonna attempt to show you guys while I actually do this. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna try to show you guys. So I'm just gonna drill my hole. I've already marked it. Key is obviously to get it straight. Probably shouldn't be doing this on a glass table. I'm gonna do it over here. Hang on one second. There's my holes, okay? So I'm gonna sand them down and then put some, I have some twine I'm gonna put through it. So these are actually scrapbooking tools, funny enough, but it has a super skinny round metal file, which will work perfect for this. All right, so we're gonna do this first. Next is I'm gonna spray this, like I said, with this satin clear enamel. I'm gonna spray it on the ground. I'll show you when it's done. So guys, here's the sign that I made for my mom. Gonna hang, she has a garden shed. We're gonna hang it from. So I thought it turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think, please, in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and please hit the like button if you did like it. Also, if you have any projects you're working on, I'd love to hear about it. It's always fun to share different techniques and different types of gifts you guys are making. I do have my outdoor gazebo coming soon. I have to order more roof fabric. I thought I had measured right, and I didn't. So anyway, and I still need to get cushion fabric. I've been busy the past few weeks, so kind of haven't ordered any of that stuff or gone shopping for it. So anyway, I hope to get that sewing. Summer is here today. I'm not sure it's gonna be here tomorrow though. I think it might be the last nice day for a while. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.